When I was little, my family would always go apple picking every fall, and that was exciting. But something happened that was even more exciting, and that would be that one day when I would get off the school bus, come down the street, be chilly outside and starting to get dark, get in the house, and it would smell so good because my mom took all those apples and turned them into a giant pot of applesauce. That's the best. My favorite way to cook with apples is to make applesauce. I'll show you how. Come on, let's cook. Always ask an adult helper to cook with you. First, we gather all the equipment and ingredients we need. A saucepan with a cover, a masher or wooden spoon, 4 apples, 3/4 of a cup of water, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. This recipe calls for peeled, cored, and diced apples. What does that mean? Well, first you need to peel the apple or take the outside skin off. And to do that, you use a tool called a peeler. They're easy to learn to use, but you should always ask an adult for help because this part here is like a little sharp knife. But here's how you use it. Hold the apple very firm in your hand, or you can even put it down on a surface, and carefully pull the peeler toward you to get that little bit of peel off the top, keeping your fingers away from the blade. Once your apples are peeled, cored, and diced, you want to put them in your pan. We're going to add all our ingredients at this step. So in goes our water, a little bit of brown sugar, and the thing that smells the best, our cinnamon. We're going to put the lid back on and put it on the stove with an adult's help for 15 to 20 minutes. And those apples are going to get nice and soft. Here come our apples. Oh, they are cooked and soft. And now we're ready to take our masher and mash them up. Do you like your applesauce smooth or chunky? I like mine with some chunks. All right, we're almost done. Smells so good.